Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to join in a Discord server. So first of all, you have to click on add a server, and now if you have an invitation link, click on join a server and enter here the server link and click on join server, and that's how we can join into a server. And the second method is, if you don't have any invitation link of the server, then click on explore public servers and enter the server name. And now open the server, and to join the server, click on join, click on complete, check this option and click on submit, and that's how you can join to a server on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.